Hey, it's Maria, and today I am going to help you clean up spacing issues. WordPress and some applications like Microsoft Word are just notorious for not allowing you to control the spacing. So sometimes we can't rely on the editors and we have to use code. Sounds fun, right? Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. So the big problem is this right here is the natural tendency of these editors. And what we want sometimes are these things. We want single space lines. So there are a couple ways that we can clean that up. I am going to go to my WordPress editor, and this is just in normal WordPress, not quite in Cornerstone yet. We'll get to that. And I'm in the visual tab. So if we were to add more lines, like here's my registration link, then I want to add another line, and it double spaced on me. Please don't double space. Okay, if this was AI, then I could do that. But for right now, I've got these problems that every time I hit return, it's adding double spacing, and I just want single spacing. So if you're on a Mac, one little trick that I have is hit the Shift key, hold it down, and then hit the return, and you will get a single space. So on a Mac, hold Shift plus return, get a single space. Okay. So that's my first little tip. I don't know if it works on a PC. You'll have to try it, and if it works, let me know because that would be super cool. But another thing we can do just in normal WordPress is we can go to the code, and you can see where you actually have control of those double spaces. We can just take them out, and voila, update, go back, hit Control R, or however you refresh the page. And you can see that it took those extra spaces out. So now we have two ways. That one is on our keyboard, one is in the normal WordPress editor. Now the final way is if you are in Cornerstone, if you're in XPro, we have our text editor here for a page. And you can see right now I'm in the code, but we're gonna go to rich text. So it knows, all of these spacing things are what I put in, but if I add another line, oh no, look at, there we go, double spacing. It loves to double space because it thinks it's a paragraph and it adds space between paragraphs. But these aren't really paragraphs. This is more like data. So we need to get rid of the double spaces. So we go over from rich text, which is your normal visual editor in Cornerstone, and we'll go to HTML, which is the code. Oh boy, look at all these little codes. So we have our double space tag, which is a paragraph tag, and then it tells it where to end the paragraph. We really don't need all of those ending paragraph tags. We can get rid of them and nothing will happen. It might put them back in just to mess with me, but that does nothing. So you can just see all of these P's mean put in a double space. But down here I have BR for break, and it's not a paragraph break, but it's just a line break. So where we put in these BRs, it will single space. So down here you can see it's double spaced because it put the P's in, but if we change them to breaks, all the P's go away and we just have single lines. You can see, oops, looks like I messed something up. Okay, now you can see it is all single spaced, and we can save that, and now that will be updated on this page. If we go back to the rich text, which is the visual editor, you can see it is all single spacing. So in code, which is what we have to use when we are in Cornerstone to get those single spaces, just remember that this BR is going to do the single line break. Even if I type in, these are my single spaced lines for example, so you can see how the text wraps. Okay, and now if I put in a return, this is what happens when I put in a return with no code. Do you see how it just keeps wrapping, like it doesn't actually put that break in because there's no code? So it knows that there's no code, there's no break, no paragraph, nothing. So in order to get a space there, I literally have to put in a code. So I can put in a BR. And you'll notice when I put in the BR, it put in a double space, and that's not what I wanted. And the reason why it's doing that is it defaults to a closing BR, and we have to delete that. And once that's gone, we are back in business, back to single spacing. So that is all the juice on the tags and how you can kind of get rid of the double spacing. So if we go back over here, I made some little notes. We have a paragraph or a div tag. A div tag, you actually have to have a closing tag. Remember I said, oh, we can get rid of all these closing P's. It's just a backslash, and when I say backslash, I mean a real backslash, not the little normal slash that people call a backslash. So it really is a backslash and then P, or it's a backslash and div inside the brackets. So that's how you would tell in code, okay, start the paragraph, end the paragraph. Start the div, which is just a paragraph break, end the div. So it's really important that we have duplicate tags when we use this tag only. We don't need the ending one for paragraph. Here's our BR tag. This is our single break. Now, sometimes in code, you'll put in a BR, but there's something in there that's wrapping around. Maybe it's an image or a button, and you can't get the text to fall below the item. It just keeps wrapping, and that's a normal HTML thing. So the way to fix that is to use clear equals all inside of your break tag. So if your BR is not making something fall below it, then put that clear equals all in there, and that will solve all of your problems. So yeah, just keep these tags handy. Don't be afraid to go in the code and play with that and see if you can get things to wiggle around, clean up your spacing, and then you should be all set. If you have any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, happy coding.